yeah!
So we got here bright and early to the range today with our rifles. We got our rifles all set up and our pumpkins all set up out at the range, as you guys can see. This is our guns and rifle. Blow 'em up for Boobies 2013. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Go pink for October. Yeah, we're going pink right here. So what do you say we get some shooting in, babe?
Let's go. Let's blow some stuff up.
I got the 308, and babe, what are you shooting today?
My 223.
It's gonna be a good day, guys. Enjoy. So we got a bunch of tannerite and some pumpkins laid out today here on the range. Ladies, go out and get your mammograms today. My wife got hers. It's a great thing to do, and it's a must. It's worth fighting for. Guns and breast cancer awareness. So let's unfasten this bra, or let's blow it up. Jana getting ready to blow up the pumpkin with the 223 right now. Here's one of the first shots. Go ahead and send it whenever you're ready, honey. Woohoo! So the cops came out and said that we couldn't shoot no tannerite, so they ruined our breast cancer awareness shoot. We've never came across this problem ever, huh, babe?
Nope.
And then not only that, the Fish and Game came out on top of that too. But they just don't want us shooting tannerite for some odd reason, because they said it would start a fire. Well, they got burn control out here. It's almost pure dirt out here. And basically tannerite does not burn grass, period. I've shot it many of times, as you've seen in our videos. Screwed up, isn't it?
Yeah, well, at least we got to blow up one pumpkin.
At least we got to blow up one pumpkin for you guys. I guess we'll have to get back out to the desert and shoot some more out there. Maybe next year. Maybe next year we'll be holding a tournament, huh, babe?
Yep.
Until next time, peace out, guys.